Define percent ionization. The percent ionization of a weak acid like hydrofluoric acid, HF, represents the percentage of the initial acid molecules that dissociate into ions at equilibrium. Percent ionization equals F to the power negative, EQ over HF. Initial times 100%. Understand the effect of dilution on concentration. When distilled water is added to the solution, the volume of the mixture increases, which immediately decreases the concentrations of all dissolved species, HF, H3O, to the power plus, and F to the power negative. Analyze the reaction quotient, Q, after dilution. The equilibrium constant expression for the dissociation is defined as Ka equals H3O to the power plus, F to the power negative over HF. Upon dilution by a volume factor V, the concentration of each aqueous species is divided by V. The reaction quotient immediately after dilution becomes Q equals frac H3O to the power plus V, frac F to the power negative V, over frac HF V, equals 1 over V, H3O to the power plus, F to the power negative over HF, equals 1 over VK. Since the volume increased, V greater than 1, the reaction quotient is now smaller than the equilibrium constant, Q less than Ka. Determine the direction of the equilibrium shift. According to Le Chatelier's principle, the system must shift to counteract this dilution. Because there are more aqueous particles on the product side, 2 ions, than on the reactant side, 1 molecule, shifting in the forward direction, to the right, generates more particles to partially offset the decrease in concentration. Relate the shift to percent ionization. While the final equilibrium concentrations of all species will be slightly lower than they were initially due to the larger volume, the forward shift means a greater net number of moles of HF dissociate compared to the original solution. Because more moles of HF have ionized out of the same original quantity, the percent ionization increases. Therefore, adding distilled water, option D, increases the percent ionization of the weak acid. The correct answer is option D, distilled water.